but not just any type of kebab. This one's gonna be a cheesy turkey kebab, and it has the flavors of green chili, ginger, garlic, a little bit of lemon, and a couple of different types of cheese. It's gonna be so, so good. And we're making it today using Butterball Easy Fresh Turkey breast. I always have these packages in my freezer and fridge. Just pull them out, peel the back off, and they're ready to go. Turkey is so good for you. It's a lean protein. It has so many great vitamins, and I love eating it throughout the week, and it's perfect for a recipe like this. But before we get started, don't forget to hit me up on my social media channels. You guys know how much I love that. And of course, if you're looking for the full recipe, just click that info box down below, expand it out, and everything you need will be there. Let's get started. I'm gonna start by cubing my turkey breast, and I love the packaging that this comes in. It's vacuum sealed, which means it stays fresher longer, and it's super easy to store in the fridge and freezer because it lays really, really flat. You want to chop them up into fairly large cubes that can be threaded onto a bamboo skewer. The marinade is super simple, and it's really, really unexpected. All of the flavors come together in a really special way, and we're starting off with some green chili, some Thai green chili specifically, and I love these guys because they're fiery, they have the right amount of heat. We have a couple of cloves of garlic that are going in, some ginger, which is going to add a little bit of heat and zip, some lemon. We always add lemon to kebabs and grilled meats just because, you know, that citrusy hit is so good. A couple of different types of cheese. So I have some old cheddar, and you want to go with something that's a little stronger in flavor because you really want them to flavor the kebabs, as well as some cream cheese. We have some yogurt, which is going to tenderize the kebabs. It's also going to give them a little bit of tang. Some turmeric for that bright yellow color. I'm going in with some nutmeg. Nutmeg is used so much in Indian grilled meats. It adds such a lovely flavor. And last but not least, a little bit of salt to season. Whiz whiz, it's done. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, I love that color. Look at it, it's so bright and yellow. And I figured it's probably a good time to give it a taste, right? God, that's so good. It's like creamy, but it's cheesy, it's spicy. Look at the color, I mean, come on. And that's because of the turmeric and the cheddar cheese in there. Oh, and it smells so, so fragrant. We're gonna give it a nice mix up. And then it's gonna hang out in the fridge overnight or for a minimum or 2 hours to marinate. So my turkey has marinated, all that great flavor has penetrated to the middle, it smells and looks delicious, and now it's ready to be threaded onto some bamboo skewers. I'm armed, you guys. And if you are grilling indoors like I am today, then you don't have to soak the skewers, but if you are going outdoors and doing it on an open flame or on a gas grill or an electric grill or whatever type of grill you have that involves flames and stuff like that, be sure to soak these guys because you don't want them to burn. And now all we're going to do is thread the cubes of turkey onto the stick. Alright, so my turkey has been threaded, it's ready to go on the grill. I'm going to get that set up, and in the meantime, look at these hands, they need to be washed. BRB. Alright, my grill is ready to go, it's nice and hot, and I'm just going to take my skewers and lay them out on a diagonal because you want to get some nice grill marks. I love that sizzle. When you have a grill like this, it takes about 8 to 9 minutes to cook the turkey through and to get a nice char on the outside. But if you're using a conventional grill outside, you just cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Alright you guys, it's the moment of truth. Time to unveil our kebabs. Let's do this. Okay, you guys, the moment has arrived. It is time to try these guys out. Look at how perfect they look. Such a great char, that lovely yellow tinge. Let's give it a bite. The turkey is perfectly tender and juicy with just the right amount of char on the outside. And you know what's the kicker here? That combination of cheeses. The cream cheese and the old cheddar. Who would have thunk? But it works so well because it makes the turkey nice and creamy and gives it a little bit of tang as well, paired with all those great spices, the chili, the ginger, the garlic. What's not to love? Pair this with a little bit of warm pita or naan, or just eat it on its own as an appetizer, and it is fantastic. And if you guys are looking for more tips and recipes on how to prepare turkey, don't forget to head to butterball.ca. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give me a big ol' thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have a question, comment, concern, or suggestion, please leave it in the comments section down below. Until my next video, I will see you later. Bye!